everybody's attention. I need everybody attention right now.
You know how it is if you put a guy on an island versus put him into a pack. You know, herd mentality. It's a lot easier to do it as a team. Three pillars of the Hard Start: morale booster, training opportunities, ability to demonstrate to a customer what we're capable of.
Well, as you can see, it's going to be non-stop all day. So much work here to do.
It's a great day. It's a great day for our team. It's a great day for East Coast facilities. Great day for the Broward Service Center. We got a monster team, man. Good job, guys.